Smooth like a baby's bottom. Good golly, Miss Molly, sure like to move. Honey, I got light skin on that side when that hair got gone. Steady, are you ready? I'm down, take a look around. Let's go now. Hey lovies, what's up? Like, did y'all miss me or did y'all miss me? Because I miss y'all. We're gonna get right into it. So I know that a lot of us go to get waxes and stuff like that. If I'm doing a bikini wax, I used to go get it done at like the European Wax Center. I still may every once in a while, but I've learned to do it at home as well. We're not gonna do that here today. But what I do have to pay attention to is this damn face of mine, okay? So I'm going to kind of show y'all the products that I use and how I do it. So yeah, let's get into it. Any products that I'm gonna be using is gonna be listed down below in the comment section or the description. And it's on Amazon for real cheap. Like, you can get a whole kit, girl, for super cheap, maybe like $30. Or if you want to use the hard wax, because this is going to be the soft wax. I'm telling you, saves you money, saves you time, and whenever you see that bush coming up, girl, you can boop, boop, boop. Listen, for y'all that are estheticians, don't come for me. This is what's been working for me. I'm not a licensed esthetician. I'm just a licensed nail tech, okay? But I've been doing this long enough my way. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm talking too much. Give me a second. I'll be back. Here's my wax kit, guys. I got my waxing paper. Again, this will be linked down below. This has lasted me over a year, y'all. If you're using hard wax, you're not gonna need this. If you're using soft wax, then you are. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut these, just, you know, for my face. Then I have some of these, I call them popsicle sticks, y'all. But you're gonna get you some. Of course, the wider that you get, the more that it covers. I got some smaller ones too for my face, but the smaller that they are, the longer it takes. And since I've been doing this for quite some time now, I just know how to go ahead and get it together. I'm really just trying to get this mustache off my face and get this beard off my chin. Stop the beat. Okay, if you're not subscribed here, join the Pretty Girl gang. Hit the subscribe button, child, and join us, okay? Another thing, self-care does not have to be expensive, guys. So I'm gonna be showing you different ways to do self-care, whether you're going out, whether you're at home, and just kind of touching our bases of what actual self-care is. So, all right, I'm done. Let me cut this up. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Listen, don't judge me how I tore these up. I didn't want to go in there and get no scissors, so I ripped them up with my hands, honey. We just gonna go the way that we go. Everything ain't always have to be perfect to be functional and working, okay? Let's just move on. I'm gonna test the wax out and then I will get back to you. Time to get started. Let's see that. And then you'll know when it's kind of ready because you'll start seeing the wax coming through the paper. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Look at that. Look at that versus that. And we're just gonna repeat. I like to do the sides first, so I'm gonna do the other side. Honey, I got light skin on that side when that hair got gone. Y'all, this big old piece of damn look like toilet tissue on the side of my face. Don't worry about it, I ain't never ripped my lip skin off. And I hope to not do it today. Y'all think it's ready? Daddy, are you ready? What's going on? I'm down, take a look around. Let's go now. However do you want it? However do you need me? I split my lip, the bottom lip. I split my lip. And here I am acting up when it ain't even done healing. Woo! Good golly, Miss Molly, sure like to move. Ooh. Good golly, Miss Molly, sure like the bone. Did he say moan or bone? Did he say moan or bone? Which one is it? Smooth like a baby's bottom. Put these in. Y'all, I'm so goofy. Now, can y'all see the difference? See the difference? Look at this. Okay, so look at this. It's light, and then I got a little mustache. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. What's up? Girl, not the lip. 1, 2, 3. I'm done with my lip. Let's do that little piece of hair. I'm gonna get my tweezers. Hold on. Tweezers. Thank God I only had one hair that was out of place. So now that I'm done with my top lip, I'm gonna go to my chin area. And baby, that's the problem. I'm gonna cut some more for my chin. So see, tear it or cut it down the middle. And while I'm doing this, I'll be ready to go with it. So I'll be going ahead and do the next one. What's up? All right, let's pull against the grain. 1, 2, 3. I got a little bit. We'll go ahead and get this side because I need a clear view of what's left. 2, 3. Not really much. Girl, while I'm waiting, I'm finna pluck these little whiskers that's on my face too. Can you see the whiskers? Girl, I'm no cat. I mean, I got one. Never mind. Gone. How am I that damn hairy? How? 2, 3. And I just do this just to get the little excess wax off. I'm pretty much satisfied with what I have, so I'm gonna get some coconut oil to get the extra excess wax off. Any kind of coconut you want, girl, just get it. And that's how I wax my face. I'm gonna go through, I'm just gonna pluck whatever hairs is left that I see. But overall, it's pretty smooth. I'm gonna do a bit of skincare and just a little bit. I'm just gonna give my face some time. Yeah, but that's how I wax my face, girl. All right, so anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, comment, share, like, do what you do. I appreciate your time. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next video.